Good morning, everybody. This is Lori Shen from Alia Consulting. Today with me is Len Garza. We are talking about exit strategies for businesses. And Len, when is a good time for a business to think about exiting?
Hi, Lori. Thanks again for having me. Important question, right? You know, it's an exciting time, looking to exit, looking to sell. When's the right time? It's such a difficult question, and so many things go into that. But one of the main things you want to look at as a business owner or a larger business is, where is your business in the sales cycle? Businesses go through ups and downs, ebbs and flows. Where are you? Or is your business growing to where you want to strike while the iron's hot and maximize value you can get from a buyer? Is your business plateauing, contracting? If it's plateauing or contracting, do you have the time? Do you have the runway to see if you can delay a potential sale, or before you have a buyer on the line, say, hey, I'd really like to get my revenues up over the next 6 months to a year, and talk with your advisors about how to do that. A lot of businesses may not have that runway, and you're looking at selling now, but if you have the runway, something to consider.
What are some things they should think about to prepare for selling?
Right. I mean, there's a multitude of things to think about. Number one thing is know your why. Why are you selling? A lot of times it could be because of retirement, relocation, looking for a new challenge, or other types of reasons. Know why, because that's really going to underlie the whole process in decision-making, due diligence, negotiation that comes forward, and knowing what you will and won't accept when negotiation comes. So that's very important. And then number two, very close behind that, is who's your team? You should have advisors. It's a very important decision for many people, many businesses. You only sell a business once. This is the biggest sale they go through. You want to make sure you get it right. Have your CPA that's been with you for years, doing your financials, profits and loss, knows your business cycle. Get an experienced business attorney, knows M&A, knows a number of other areas as well, because this is a multidisciplinary approach that happens. Right. The selling of a business can be very complex. Always, you're going to have tax issues. Frequently, you're going to have securities law issues. Intellectual property, there could be those issues. You want to make sure that's transferred and protected. If you have real estate, there are going to be commercial real estate issues, potential land use issues. The list can go on. So it can be very complex, more complex than it looks on the surface. So you really need to have the right team with you to make sure it's a success and avoid pitfalls.
That's perfect. Thank you. Lots of tidbits to chew on. So for those of you who are watching, who are thinking about selling or having an exit strategy in place, please give Len a call to discuss further. Thank you.
Thanks a lot for having me, Lori. Bye.